So numerical changes of chromosomes. The chromosome numerically means the number. The number of chromosomes are it can be changes to exhibit the mutation. So numerical changes of chromosomes is a third year fifth sem. Cell biology. So this is also what is the numerical chromosomes. The numerical chromosomes is the types of the abnormalities. There are two main types of chromosomal disorders. First one is also numerical, means number of chromosomes. Second one is a structural abbreviation. Structure means so then the size, the shape of the chromosomes or it can changes to exhibit the mutation. The numerical first you go to the numerical abbreviations. The numerical abbreviation this is also structure. The structural chromosomes is a which is also translocation, deletion, this inversion, and also inversion and an insertion, and also derivative or a ring formation. So then also translocation, deletion, inversion, and insertion. That is also 1, 2, 3, 4 type of deletions, which is also that is also structural changes. Structure means the number, the shape, size, which can changes to exhibit the mutations. So, but here the numerical chromosomes are the numerical changes of chromosomes which can classify the two types, aneuploids, euploids. The aneuploids are also further classified into the hypoploid, hyperploid. Then hypoploid is further classified into monosomic and allosomic. Hyperploid is also trisomic and tetrasomic. Then euploid is also monoploid, diploid and polyploids. So this is also numerical changes of chromosome structure, which is a majorly important for the aneuploidy and euploidy. The aneuploidy, what is the aneuploidy and what is a so euploidy? It can be studying the chromosomal mutation, structural also numerical, which is also changes deletion, translocation, insertion, ring chromosome formation, so decentric chromosomes and chromosomal gaps. That is total structure. The numerical means trisomy, monosomy, hyperdiploid, hyperdiploid, triploid, tetraploid. So this is also numerical changes of chromosomes, but is also deletion, duplication, inversion, so replication, so reciprocal translocation is also that is also structural chromosomes. But here is structure, but here is the chromosomes are abnormalities, which is a deficiency. So deficiency means so the terminal deletions. The terminal part is lack of chromosome which can exhibiting the last segment of nucleotelomers. The loss of segments of chromosomes. The deficiency means loss of segments of chromosomes or deficiency, lack. But in intestinal or also called interstitial deletion means a segment between telome and centrome is lost. Telome means end of the chromosomes, but is also that is also centromere means center part. The centromere end of the chromosome between part is lost. That is called interstitial deletions. So this is also duplication, inversion, which totally is called structural, but here it is a not important, not studies in after next class. It can studies of the structural changes of the chromosome, but here is called numerical changes. What is the means of the numerical? Now what are the character features of the numerical? Euploid, aneuploid, monoploid, diploid, polyploid, three types of euploid. So aneuploid means hypoploid and hyperploid. Hypoploid is a monosomy and allosomy. Then hyperploid is also trisomy, tetrasomy. Also this is also numerical changes. Types of the chromosomes are numerical. What is a chromosome? Numerical means the number of the chromosome is a loss, that is called numerical. The numerical chromosomes are first one you take that aneuploid, and also polyploid. That is also aneuploid means autosomes are 6 chromosomes. Autosomes means how many number of autosomes are present in a body. The total is a 23 pairs. The 23 pairs of the chromosome is a autosomes. The monosomy means loss of one chromosomes. Trisomy means gain of one chromosomes. Tetrasomy gain of two chromosomes. So this is also that is a types the types of the chromosomes. But here starting that the numerical changes, variations of the chromosome number. The numerical changes is the organisms are usually diploid. Naturally, all chromosomes are then structurally, which is the somatic cells, two sets of the chromosomes, which is a diploid twin. So they passes two sets of chromosomes. Variation in the normal diploid chromosome number is so termed ploid. Numerical changes in chromosomes are variations in chromosome number, heteroploid, can be mainly of two types, aneuploids and euploids. Numerical changes for first type is heteroploid, homoploid. Heteroploid is further divides into the aneuploids and euploids. Heteroploid means, what is the means of the heteroploid? Hetero means the number. Hetero means different or binna. So number of chromosomes are not same to one generation to other generation. The chromosome number is it changes. That is called a numerical. The numerical means that is aneuploids and euploids. The chromosome సంఖ్య మార్పులో వ్యత్యాసం జీవులు సాధారణంగా డిప్లాయిడ్ ట్విన్ అంటే అవి రెండు రకాల క్రోమోజోమ్లు ఉంటాయి, రెండు జతలు. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో డిప్లాయిడ్స్ అంటాం. సాధారణంగా డిప్లాయిడ్ క్రోమోజోమ్ సంఖ్యలో వైవిధ్యాలు అయి ఉంటుంది. క్రోమోజోమ్ సంఖ్యలో క్రోమోజోమ్ లేదా వైవిధ్య హెటరోప్లాయిడ్ న్యూమరికల్ మార్పు ప్రధానంగా రెండు రకాలుగా ఉంటుంది. సో అneuploids అండ్ euploids. So this is also the numerical changes. The numerical changes in chromosomes are variations in chromosome number can be mainly of two types, namely aneuploids and euploids. First you go to the aneuploids. What is the meaning of the aneuploids? The aneuploid is, it involves addition or deletion of one or few chromosomes to usual diploid set of chromosomes, usually diploid. So Tistarita or that is also called diploid. ద్వైస్థిత క్రోమోజోములు ఉండి, it is a one set of chromosomes or one chromosome additionally added. That is called aneuploids. It involves addition or deletion. Addition means add, deletion means loss. 23 minus 1 chromosome, that is called deletion. 23 plus 1, that is called addition. So deletion, addition of one of few chromosomes. One means only single, not pair. That is a 2. A pair is a present. 2n plus 2. 2n plus 1 pair. 2n plus 1 chromosome. 2n minus 1. 2n plus 1. That is also 2n means diploid. The diploid chromosomes which addition or deletion of chromosome number is called aneuploids. So these aneuploids are diploid set of chromosomes. The aneuploids arise due to the failure of separation of homologous chromosomes, how particularly pair during meiosis. The aneuploids arise due to failure of the separation of homologous. Failure means the chromosomes structure is also fail. Chromosomes are particularly paired during meiosis. Meiosis లోపల the particular chromosomes are, it can be so fail means it is a loss. That is also aneuploids chromosomes. So but here aneuploid is also carried that seeing that aneuploids, which is also aneuploids are carried also micronucleus. Then larger chromosomes, the chromosomes are is a polymerization. So they are mitotic DNA damage. Also and yes, chromatophys. So this aneuploids means what is aneuploid? The aneuploids means lack of chromosome or gain of chromosomes into the diploid set of chromosome is called aneuploids. This aneuploids. So this is the aneuploid. It involves addition or deletion of one or few chromosomes to the usual diploid set of chromosomes. The aneuploids arise due to failure of separation of homologous chromosomes. So then the aneuploid is also failure. Failure means it is a functionless failure of the separation of homologous chromosomes of particular pair during meiosis. It is known as a non-disjunction. Non-disjunctions. The particular chromosomes is which can addition or loss, that is called a non-disjunction. As a result, two types of gametes are produced. One type contains more chromosomes than the normal number, and the other type of gametes contain less numbers. First that is also normal number of chromosomes. Then second one is also contains a less number of chromosomes. The aneuploid are of following types. First one is a monosomies. Monosomies. So they arise by the loss of one chromosome from the diploid set. Example is a 2n minus 1. 2n means diploid chromosome. So 1 minus 1 is a means one chromosome, not set. Only one, that is called monosomies or monosomic. Monosomic. So they can form two types of gametes, n and 2n minus 1. N means 2n minus 1. Minus 1 means only one chromosome. So second one is called nullisomic. So these arise by the loss of particular pair of chromosomes. Is 2n minus 2. 2 means pair. 2n means diploid. The diploid set of chromosomes minus a pair means example 2n diploid. Diploid means also 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in human beings. 23 minus 1 pair means 22 pairs only present in human beings. That is called a nullisomic. But is that monosomic means 2n minus 1 means 2n means 23 pairs. Then minus 1 means 1 chromosomes means 22 pairs, 1 chromosomes are separate. 1 chromosomes are lack. That is called monosomic. The monosomic, nullisomic, so both are addition and deletion of diploid number of chromosomes. That is called aneuploids. So the numerical change is monosomy. So this is also here. The monosomy conditions are which can be monosomy means 2n minus 1. Here is a trisomy means 2n plus 3 pairs are there. So but here is also 3 means that is also 1 2 3. An individual has 3 chromosomes instead of pairs. But is it a monosome means individual is missing one of the chromosomes. One of the chromosomes are missing. Trisomy means it in an individual has 3 chromosomes instead of pairs. So this is also, so that is the trisomy and nullisomy both have character features of organisms. So this is also UPAD. The trisomy, the human beings are which different in colors or different in shape. So aneuploids, that is euploid is only monosomic and nullisomic is also, but it aneuploid. సో ఇది క్రోమోజోమ్ సాధారణంగా డిప్లాయిడ్ సమితికి లేదా కొన్ని క్రోమోజోమ్స్ జోడించబడుతుంది. శరీర ధర్మశాస్త్రం యొక్క ప్రత్యేక జంట యొక్క సమజాతి క్రోమోజోముల విభజన ఆశోకడ వైఫల్యానికి కారణమవుతుంది. ఇది నాన్ డిస్జంక్షన్స్ అని పిలుస్తారు. సో ఫలితంగా 2 రకాలైన ఉత్పత్తి చేయబడతాయి. సో ఒక రకమైన సాధారణ సంఖ్య కంటే ఎక్కువ క్రోమోజోమ్ కలిగి ఉంటుంది మరియు ఇతర గ్యామెట్స్ తక్కువ క్రోమోజోమ్ కలిగి ఉంటుంది. అన్యూప్లాయిడ్స్ అనేది ఏంటిది? ఇట్ ఈస్ తెలుగు లోపల వన్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఇస్ లాక్ ఆఫ్ వన్ క్రోమోజోమ్ వన్ పేర్. మోనోజోమిక్ ద్వైస్థితి సెట్ నుండి క్రోమోజోమ్ కోల్పోవడం వల్ల ఉత్పన్నం అవుతుంది ఒక క్రోమోజోమ్స్. 2n minus 1. అవి రెండు రకాలైన గ్యామెట్లు ఉంటాయి, n మరియు n minus 1. n means 2n. n minus 1 means n means set. One chromosomes are lack 1. That is all. So nullisomic means ఇవి ఒక నిర్దిష్ట జంట క్రోమోజోముల సంఖ్యను కోల్పోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఆ సంఖ్యను కోల్పోవడం ద్వారా ఇది ఏర్పడడం జరుగుతుంది. నల్లిజోమిక్ ఇవి ఒక నిర్దిష్ట జంట క్రోమోజోములు కోల్పోవడం వల్ల ఉత్పన్నమవుతుంది. అనగా 2n-2 అవి రెండు n-1 రకపు బీజ కణాల కలయికతో ఉత్పన్నమవుతాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో అనూప్లాయిడ్స్. So what is aneuploids is? So aneuploids is also two types. Are first one monozomic, nullizomic, trisomic. Are trisomic, tetrasomic, trisomics, tetrasomics. So that is a four types are there. Aneuploids first one monozomic, second one nullizomic, third one trisomic, fourth one tetrasomic. Four types are there. Trisomic. So these arise by addition of an extra chromosome to normal diploid set, which the genetic formula 2n plus 1. This one is also 2n plus 1. Means such individuals are formed by the union of a n plus 1 gametes with a normal gametes. Normal gametes is also n. So this is also trisomic, means 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. And one chromosomes are there. Tetrasomic means so these arise by addition of an extra pair of chromosomes to diploid set with a chromosomal formula 2n plus 2 tetra by the particular chromosomes is represented in 4 dose sets instead of normal 2 sets. So 2n means so diploid plus 2 means the 2 chromosomes, 1 chromosomes. But here 2n plus 1 means not pair, only single. So this is also monozomic opposite to trisomic. The nullizomic opposite to tetrasomics. So this is also one type of a 2n plus 2 to 2n plus 1. Here is a both are called a plus addition, not only lack of chromosome set. సో ట్రైజోమిక్స్ లోపల జన్యుసూత్రం 2n plus 1తో సాధారణంగా డిప్లాయిడ్ సమితికి అదనపు క్రోమోజోమ్స్ పెంచుతుంది. ఇటువంటి వ్యక్తులు ఒక సాధారణ గ్యామెట్ n plus 1 గ్యామెట్ యొక్క యూనియన్ ద్వారా ఏర్పడతారు. సో ఇక్కడ యూప్లాయిడ్స్, అనూప్లాయిడ్స్, ద అనూప్లాయిడ్స్ లోపల ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ మోనోజోమిక్, సెకండ్ వన్ నల్లిజోమిక్, థర్డ్ వన్ ట్రైజోమిక్, fourth one tetrasomic. The 4 types of the zomic condition is called aneuploids. But here is a euploids. Euploids means nija. So the normally organism passes 2 sets of chromosomes. The 2 sets of chromosomes, they are diploid. Normally diploid conditions. At times there is addition of loss of complete one set. Not only one set, ఒక జత 2n plus 1 set, that is called triploid. 2n means ద్వైస్థితిగా, 1 set is chromosomes 3 sets, that is also so triploid. So euploid, that is also diploid 2n. At times there is addition or loss of complete one set n or more than one set of chromosomes is observed. It is called euploids. Euploid లోపల only 2n plus 1 set, not only single one set chromosome is called euploid. The euploid is called, first you go to euploid is the following types. Aploid means 2n minus 1 set means n means aploid or monoploids. Out of 2 sets of chromosomes of a normal organisms, when so one set is lost, the resulting offspring have just one set of chromosome n. Actually 2n minus 1 minus n means n plus n means one set. Other n is also one set, means also 2n set. 2n, that n minus n. So only one n is present, that is called haploids. Polyploids means that organisms having more than 2 normal sets of chromosomes. More than 2 normal means 2n are called polyploids. Organisms with 3 sets of chromosomes, 2n plus n is equal to 3n, are triploid. 2n plus n triploid. Those with 4 sets of chromosomes, 2n plus 2n tetraploid. 4n are tetraploid, and those with 5 sets, 2n plus 3n 5n 6 sets, 2n plus 4n 6n are known as pentaploid and hexaploid respectively. So first we thought n means applied, n plus n diploid, n plus n plus n triploid, n plus n plus n plus n, so this is a tetraploid. And 2n is also normal, 2n plus n triploid, 2n plus 2n tetraploid, 2n plus 3n pentaploid, 2n plus 4n hexaploid. That is also the number of chromosomes are which can be changes to the which is a first you go to the 2n plus 1 set, 2n 1 plus means 3n or 3n 2n plus 2 sets, 2n 4n, but 2n plus 3n 2n plus 4n, that is a totally which is also so applied, diploid, triploid, tetraploid, hexaploid, pentaploid, hexaploid, heptaploid, octaploid, novaploid, decaploid. That is also number of chromosomes are different in structures. యూప్లాయిడ్ సాధారణంగా జీవి 2 క్రోమోజోములను కలిగి ఉంటుంది. అవి ద్వైస్థితులు 2n, కొన్నిసారి n లేదా ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ సెట్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ యొక్క అదనంగా లేదా నష్టాన్ని గమనించవచ్చు. ఇది యూప్లాయిడ్ పిలువబడుతుంది. యూప్లాయిడ్ అనే రకాలు అప్లాయిడ్ లేదా మొనోప్లాయిడ్ ఒక సమితి కోల్పోయినప్పుడు సాధారణంగా జీవి యొక్క 2 జతల క్రోమోజోములు ఫలితంగా సంతానం యొక్క క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఏర్పడతాయి. ఇది ఒకే ఒక సమూహాన్ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. పాలిప్లాయిడ్ 2 సాధారణ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ 2n కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్న జీవకణాలు పాలిప్లాయిడ్ అంట. 3 జతలు ఉన్నట్టయితే క్రోమోజోమ్స్ దాన్ని ఏం చేసే ట్రిప్లాయిడ్స్ అని, 4 జతలు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేసే దాన్ని టెట్రాప్లాయిడ్ అని, 5 జతలు ఉన్నప్పుడు పెంటాప్లాయిడ్ అని, 6 జతలు ఉన్నప్పుడు హెక్సాప్లాయిడ్ అని క్రోమోజోమ్స్గా పిలుస్తాం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద టోటల్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఫీచర్స్ ఆఫ్ figures are there. So but is also called it is a normal. But normal chromosomes are here 1. That is a 2 sets of chromosomes. It's a 2n. 2n means diploid. But is also 2n. But here 2n plus 1. That is also diploid. 2n plus 1 diploid. But here is also got a pair of chromosomes. But it is also haploids and diploids. So here 2n plus 1. Here a pair. 2n plus 1 pair, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1. So this is also important of the genetical character features of the human beings also there. So this is also the mutagen types, effect and examples. Mutagens effect. Examples: carcinogens. How do causes of the mutagens? The mutagens is which can causes the 2 type of numerical changes, structural changes, and physical changes or chemical changes. The numerical means number of chromosomes lack or addition. Then structurally means the size of the chromosome is more or less. That is called structure of the chromosomes. The mutagen types, effects and examples. Carcinogen. So this is also mutagens. The carcinogenesis and tumor also got a tumor formation. Carcinogen is also tumor formation. Tumor means it is also round shape. The chemical, that is also aphrodizing. Biological means retrovirus. Physical means are X-ray or irradiations. So these 3 type of the examples of a carcinogen. So clastogens. The chromosomes are breaks, deletions, and also rearrangements. So chemical example, so also called a bleomycin. So biological HIV virus, physical UV virus. So tetragon, so teratogen. The teratogen means tangential. So malformations. Chemical, so valproate. Biological toxoplasma gonadal. Physical means X-ray radiations. So non-specific mutagens means the non-specific damage or the genetic materials. So which is also immutable types. Also X-ray irradiations or toxoplasma viruses. So this is also total is also mutagens. So this mutagens types, the effects are is also different type of there. So here transposable elements. What is the means of transposable elements? The term transposon was carried by Hedges. The Hedges scientist was the first to report that transposon means that is in Hedges and Jacob in 1974 for mobile so discrete. The DNA sequences in the genome sub-sequences are able to transport themselves from one location to the other location with the genomes. So these sequences are also called transposable genetic elements. So the genome such as the sequences are able to transport themselves from one location to other location. Transport means one genetical part is a transport to the other genetical part of chromosomes is called transposable. In genome, such sequences are able to transport themselves from one location to other location within the genome. These sequences are also called transposable genetic elements. The transposable genetic elements is a only gene or chromosome part or DNA part is it can be transposed to the other chromosomes. So then from one location to other location, one location means the terminal part. The terminal part of the chromosomes are passing into the middle part. The middle part of the chromosomes part is transferred to the near to the centromere. That is also transposable. Means the transposable means only same type of the chromosome does not change the number, does not change the structure. Only that part is trans to the one part to other part to one, not only one part to the other. Transposable genetic elements are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So these transposable characters are exhibited in the both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes means so which is also that Kendrapura canal. Eukaryotes means that is also so Nijakendra canal. So each bacterial transposon carries genes coding for the synthesis of needed for its own transpositions. Similar system occurs in eukaryotic organism also. So these transposons are genetic coding for the enzymes needed for its own transpose. సో ది జన్యువులో మొబైల్ వ్యక్త డిఎన్ఏ శ్రేణుల కోసం 1974లో హెడ్జెస్ మరియు జాకబ్ అనే ఇద్దరు సైంటిస్టులు ట్రాన్స్పోజెస్ అనే పదాన్ని ఇటువంటి సన్నివి ఒక ప్రదేశం నుండి జన్యువులు ఇతర ప్రాంతాలకు తమకు తాము రవాణా చేయగలవు. ఈ సన్నివేశాలు ట్రాన్స్పోజబుల్ జన్యుపరమైన అంశాలను కూడా పిలుస్తారు. ట్రాన్స్పోర్టబుల్ జెనెటిక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రెండింటిలో ప్రొకార్యోట్స్ మరియు యూకారియోట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ట్రాన్స్పోర్టబుల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ బోత్ ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ ద ప్రొకార్యోటిక్ ఆర్గానిజం ఆల్సో కూడా యూకారియోటిక్ ఆర్గానిజం. ప్రతి బ్యాక్టీరియా ట్రాన్స్పోజన్స్ తమ సొంత బదిలీ కోసం అవసరమైన ఎంజైమ్స్ను జన్యువులను కోడింగ్ చేస్తుంది. ఇలాంటి వ్యవస్థలు యూకారియోటిక్ జీవులో కూడా సంభవిస్తాయి. The prokaryotic జీవి, eukaryotic జీవి, the both type of organisms are which can exhibiting the transposons. So transposons promotes rearrangement of the genome since transposition causes deletion or inversion. ఈ ట్రాన్స్పోజన్స్ వల్ల ఆ పార్ట్ డిలీషన్ కావచ్చు లేదా ఇన్వర్షన్, బట్ up to down, down to up, it can be inversion takes place. Transposable elements act as region of homology for recombination resulting in a translocation, inversion, deletion, and insertion. So this is also transposon is also divided into the four types: translocation, inversion, deletion, insertion. Four types are there. So ఇది జన్యు రాశి సో యొక్క పునఃసృష్టిని ప్రోత్సహించడం వలన తొలగింపు లేదా విలోమ కారణం అవుతుంది. ట్రాన్స్పోసబుల్ మూలకాల పునఃసంయోగం కోసం హోమోలాజీ యొక్క ప్రాంతాలు వ్యవహరిస్తాయి. తద్వారా అనువాదాలు విలోమ చెందుతాయి, తొలగిస్తాయి, ప్రక్షాళిస్తాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ట్రాన్స్పోసబుల్. సో ఇన్సర్షన్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఆర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. So this insertion means they are small bacterial transposons, small size of transposons, so that carry only one gene coding for the protein required for their own transposition. Only one gene is which can be proteins. The one genes are coding for the protein required for their own transposition. One means thermoplasmin. It can transposition. So they are the normal constitutions of plasmids, transposons, and bacterial chromosomes. The first IS elements identified was designated ISI. First thing, the chromosome transpose wala ISI chromosomes means insertion segment of chromosome. So it is determined detected through mutations which variation loss involves in a galactose. So metabolism in Escherichia coli bacteria, galactose or metabolism which also reported by exam. So the second one, composite transposition. Composite means composite transport are larger transposons. Larger means big size of chromosome part is it can transport to the other part of the chromosomes, not only short part. That is called a composite transposons or larger transposons which passes a central region, so bucketed on each side by IS elements, and one or both the IS elements so may enable the transposons of the transposons which can be transposons are larger transposable which passes a central region. Central means middle part. So this one is also composite transposition. So this composite transposition, it is also one important of the first one you take, that is a insertion sequence. Second one is a composite transposition. This two is also important for the transposition promotes rearrangement of the genes, since transposition causes a deletion or insertion. So this is also transposable elements. So but that is also mutagens or types. So these mutagens are, how many types are the chemical mutagens? 4 types. Carcinogens, also called clastogens, also called teratogens, non-specific mutagens which can affect of the non-specific and specific chromosome structures are there. So this is also the euploids and aneuploids which is important for the so this is a numerically abnormalities, monosomes and disomes are there. So this is aneuploid chromosomes or aneuploids means here is a 2 but here only one set are there. So what here that is only here is also 3. So this one is also 2 and one chromosome separated, but here a pair plus 1, that is 2n plus 1, that is called a micro. So this is important of the numerical changes of aneuploids and euploids and the chromosome సంఖ్య మార్పులను వ్యత్యాసాలు జీవుల సాధారణంగా డిప్లాయిడ్ అటువంటి అవి 2 రకాల క్రోమోజోమ్స్ కలిగి ఉంటాయి: డిప్లాయిడ్స్, ట్రిప్లాయిడ్స్, టెట్రాప్లాయిడ్స్, పాలీప్లాయిడ్స్, హెక్సాప్లాయిడ్స్, ectoploids, navoploids, and decaploids. That is also called a ploid. Ploid means set to. 2n plus 1 means 1 set to. That is called triploid. 2n plus n. Like 2n, 2x plus x, 3x. 2n, 2x plus 2x, 4x. 2x plus 3x 5x, 2x plus 4x 6x, 2x plus 7x, 2 plus 2x plus 6x is 8x. That is also different. 2x plus 7x also called 9x. 2x plus 8x then 10x. That is also the chromosome number. The chromosome number is maybe changes. That is the changes which are responsible to the variation or numerical changes of chromosomes are it can exhibit the chromosomal mutations. The chromosomal mutations are which can exhibit to the changes of genetic characters or suddenly mutation takes place. Mutation takes place. The types of the chromosomes are in anomalies are there. It is also numerical and other one is also non-numerical. Then also occur numerical changes in chromosomes, euploids, aneuploids. Euploids means monoploid, diploid, also called polyploids. Set two. But here is also aneuploids means hypoploid and second one is hyperploid. Hyperploid is a monosomy, nalisomy, trisomy, tetrasomy. Monosomy, nalisomy, trisomy, tetrasomy. That is called aneuploids are there. So this is also type of the chromosomes are there. Here is all set of the numerical chain also called changes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can say 1, 2. Now you can 2. That is also one chromosomes are extra also numerical. So you can so structures are there. The numerical and structures are chromosome. But here is also the chromosome size also relations. The chromosome size and shape is also changes. That is called a deletion, then duplication, and also inversion, and also reciprocal translocations, which is a total is also chromosomes mutations. The chromosomes are numerical changes. First you go to the aneuploids. Aneuploids, euploids. Aneuploids means hyperploid, hyperploid. Euploid means monoploid, diploid, polyploids. Then hyperploid is a monosomy, nalisomy, trisomy, tetrasomy. That is also the chromosome structures are there. The types of abnormalities, which are also two types. Then these are two main types of chromosome disorders. Numerical abbreviation changes in chromosome number, structure abbreviation which is changes in the same structures. So this is also numerical abnormalities, chromosome abnormalities. So this important of type. Then first you numerical also or so tomorrow also got a structural chromosome. Structure means that is also shape, size of the chromosomes are deletion, also called a addition, that is which is important for the numerical abbreviations, also called a structural abbreviations, numerical abbreviations, both are exhibiting the mutations. So this is a important of the locations. So then also the transpons means the transpons is a small part or big part. A small part of the chromosomes is location changes. Location means the located part of few genes or few part of the chromosome is transferred to the other part of the chromosome. Same chromosome, not is other. The same chromosome part is other means that is transpons. The transpons is which divide the simple transpons, composite transpons. Simple means a small part. Composite means a big part. The big part is it can change, shifted or transferred. Then a small part is a transferred. The big part is a transferred, which is also called a composite. The small part is a transferred simple. Simple transpons are composite transpons. Both are which exhibiting the genetic variations or mutations. The mutation is which affect to the man to causes of additional characters of man or additional characters of the animals. So this is also complete of the topic. Then the transpose is it is a important for say mutation causing mutation causes which is a euploids, aneuploids. Also, that is also mutations. But here is a suddenly changes. Also, continuation of changes to the parent to the data generation. So both are which are responsible takes place. So this is the important of the topic for discussing the numerical changes of the chromosomes.